Hi everyone, and thank you for coming to our channel, Cooking with Graham. I'm very happy to say my first cooking experience with my other granddaughter, who calls me Graham, is Bella. And Bella is going to show you how to cook cake ice cream cones today. So we have all these ingredients laid out, and you can see how you have to prepare. You put several sizes of muffin tins, and then get your different size of ice cream cones. These are jumbos and these are regular. We line them up, they're going to be ready to stuff and bake. You also have to start with setting your temperature to 350 and preheating your oven. Now, Bella's going to explain what goes in this.
Okay, so first you start with one yellow cake mix, which we have here, and then you pour it into the mixer. And then you have a half a cup of cold water, and then you beat these two together for 2 minutes. Oops, a little error.
Well, things happen in the kitchen all the time, and you have to learn how to recoup. So she'll start again.
So this time start slow, not fast.
And that goes on for how many minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Just going to add the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, so you have 2 eggs that we'll add in. Okay, and now you add in 3 tablespoons of regular water. And now you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then let that beat for another 2 minutes.
Now it's time to fill our cups. You want to use a 1/4 cup and fill it in with the amount. Okay, bring it over, and then we'll help it with a spoon. Go in there, it's thick. That's about right. Okay, get another one. We're going to fill them around half full. See how we're fitting them in there? And you're helping it with a spoon around half full. Well, we have them all into the cones, but this particular amount of batter filled 12 jumbo cones. So we have 12 cones that are going into the oven now, 350 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll check on them. Very good. Okay, we'll come back in 25 minutes and look at them. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Graham. Now, to take over this delicious ice cream cones, I have my other granddaughter, Sophie. And Sophie's going to tell you how to prepare delicious buttercream icing.
Okay, so we have 1 cup unsalted butter, or 2 sticks. Put that in here.
Soften.
And now we have 1.5 tablespoon or teaspoon of salt.
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
And you put that on high
Right,
and mix it for about a minute.
right.
We have 16 ounces of powdered sugar, and you're going to pour that into the bowl and sift it. Okay.
Good.
And now you
Show them how you sift it. Low to the bowl. Make it hard. Okay, what she's going to do now is do 1 cup at a time of the confectioned sugar that we already sifted into the butter mixture. And you've got to do it slowly, 1 cup at a time, until all this powdered sugar is incorporated into the butter. Very good.
So we have heavy cream here, and I'm going to pour about a tablespoon in at a time.
Good. And then your tablespoon, okay, that's good. You don't want it all. Tablespoon of vanilla. Takes it
Oh, tablespoon of vanilla.
all together. You can put the whole thing. Okay. Both Sophie and Bella are going to decorate these beautiful ice cream cupcakes, and we'll show you how it's done. Of course, use your standard piping bag. You can use your imagination, however you want to decorate it. Go round and round. Make little stars. So they'll continue to work on this. Very nice. Okay. I think the girls did a marvelous job decorating. Look how beautiful they are. They're very creative. Next thing we're going to do is put some sprinkles, and we'll show you the final results. This is going to be such a hit at the party. Okay, the final touch is some beautiful sprinkles to give it color. So they're going to go one at a time and over a bowl so you don't get the sprinkles all over. They're just going to put as many sprinkles as they want to top it off and give it that color of a festive cupcake. So, very pretty. Good job. Okay, here's our final project finished. And we can't wait to get into them, but they look amazing. What do you think, Bella?
I think they look good. We did a good job.
Good job, Bella. Sophie?
I like the colors. I think it was a good touch.
Oh, you think they're gonna be delicious?
Oh yeah.
Good
I
job.
like 'em.
How do you like cooking with Graham?
It's always fun.
It's fun. I like it.
I love you guys. Mwah. Thanks for subscribing to our channel, and welcome again, and we'll see you around on our next Cooking with Graham show.
Pretty good, aren't they? I'm dying. What do you think of them, Vivi?
Good.
They're good?
Yes, they're good. Yes.
Good.